How to recall mail in Outlook mobile app. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall an email in the Outlook mobile app. We've all sent emails we wish we could take back, so let's dive in and learn how to recall an email on your phone. So, recall is a great feature that allows you to unsend or retract an email you just sent. But here's the thing, unfortunately, the Outlook mobile app doesn't currently support recalling an email. This feature is available only on the desktop version of the Outlook for Microsoft 365 or Exchange accounts. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the workaround and other tips that might help. So, why can't you recall emails directly on the Outlook mobile app? Well, the email recall feature is designed for Microsoft Exchange accounts and only works when both the sender and recipient are on the same Exchange server. Unfortunately, mobile apps doesn't have the same full capabilities as the desktop version. While you can't recall an email directly from the Outlook mobile app, here's a workaround you can try if you realize you've sent an email by mistake. The undo send feature is a quick way to stop your email from being sent. First, go to your outbox or sent folder. Right after sending the mail, as soon as you send the email, you'll see an undo option on your screen. Tap on undo before the email is actually delivered. Keep in mind, the time window for undo send is usually just a few seconds, so you need to act fast. So while you can't recall an email directly from the Outlook mobile app, you can use the undo send feature for a quick fix right after sending.